What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today I will show you how you can use Sora 2 for extra long videos in Artlist AI. So let's start. Alright, so first log into your account, and from here let's go to AI Toolkit. Now once you're here, you will be greeted with multiple ready to use assets. So you have here different kind of videos and different kind of images. Now if you want to make your own and you want to use Sora 2, you can just go ahead and click on this button right here, and let's choose video. Now let's click on this button right here and click on show all. Now it is going to list all the AI models that you can use, and from this list you can scroll down, and here you will find Sora 2 Pro, and also we have Sora 2. Now you can use Sora 2 Pro if you want, and you can also use Sora 2. Now for this one, let's just go ahead and click Sora 2 Pro and click on use model. Now here, as you can see, you are already using your Sora 2. Now you can type your prompt here, what kind of video you want, and after that just click on generate, and if you're happy with the result, you can go ahead and use it. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.